What's up, you guys? Marty Schwartz here again from guitarjams.com. Hope you guys are having a great time out there learning guitar. I've got a real easy song for you, but then also a kind of a cool little picking pattern tune that you can work on. So it's great for beginners and intermediates as well. Also, if you're a super beginner and you're trying to work on your strumming, I actually have a link for a strumming series that's not on YouTube, like a DVD quality strummers kind of boot camp kind of thing. So I got a link for that down there, and I really appreciate that support. But let's zoom in and break this one down right now and hopefully have a really good time doing it. All right, here we go. Super beginner chords make up this whole song. Once again, the chords you want to learn in the beginning, but then also a cool picking pattern that would be a little more advanced than beginner, but I'm going to show you both options there. So let's get the chords first. So there's basically two sections of the song, a verse and a chorus. The verse starts on the E minor chord. You can do it with either set of fingers. So ba to E minor, E to D to D. Next chord is a D chord. I feel like Tenacious D has been inspired by this song for sure. Check out their song, The Roadie. So then you got a D chord. D, D. So far E minor to D. Then we need an A chord, and I'm going to use all three here. Good, I'm just doing down strums right now. Check it out. Here's the verse again. E minor. Then we're going to go to D. D to D to D. D to D. Now A. A to E minor. Okay? So that's the verse. Don't worry, that picking pattern's coming. Okay? Then we've got the chorus, which is D back to E minor. So you go, here I D to E minor, here's the D, back to here I then an A, so a little twist. And it just does that right before the little turnaround, or the little, basically the hook of the whole song. D, D minor. Okay, so one more time on the chorus. It starts on the D, here I D, back to E minor, here I D, back to E minor, back to D, A twist, D, verse and the chorus, you put them together, and you could even just do, so for that beginner strum, I'm going down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down, down. Okay, so now with the little picking pattern, and this is great too because two guitar players could play this together. One's doing that strum, the other one's doing the picking. That's always a very cool way to go. And with the picking, it's just picking out like the power chord kind of versions of the chords. But if you pick the wrong note with these open chords, it's still going to sound good. So check it out. I'm just picking down these top three strings here. Back down, back up. Right. So any of those pickings, you could strum the whole chord or part of it, because every string works on those chords. So that makes it actually really fun. And good practice for lots of other things that you're going to need later. The D chord, we're just going to do the same thing, but start on this third string down. It's the D string. And we got this. A chord, same idea, but we're going to start on the second string here. This lesson, hope you enjoyed yourself. It's definitely a classic. Also, if you're a beginner out there trying to work on your strumming, it's kind of that first hurdle. I've got that link down there below this box for that strumming series. And also, just hope to see you again real soon. I appreciate all that support. So until next time, see you later.